Hello everybody, Chetna over here. Today I'm going to do Junoon TED Talk for Junoon Compete, and the theme is Unity in Diversity. So let us start. The Triumph of Unity. Have you ever wondered a land where different people came together to take control over something or to achieve something? Yes, it happened. To give you an example, let me take back to the time where India was desiring for freedom, desiring from independence, and despite of all the harsh conditions, all the harsh situations, their vision of freedom stayed strong. In this challenging and tensioned atmosphere, a leader named Mohandas Gandhi appeared. From the western coast, Gandhi introduced a new formula, a new powerful idea, which was peaceful resistance. Here it means that you should not act anything which can harm someone. We should not be violent. We should not show our wild behavior to anybody. Whatever we have to do, whatever actions we have to take that in a peaceful manner. Leading a bold march to the sea of the 10,000 of followers with him, followers defied the British regulations, their footsteps echoing the collective of will for the change. After that, from the northern plains, Jawaharlal Nehru, who was India's first Prime Minister, rose with a dream with a democratic India. His vision towards a bright future was as compared to a lighting, guiding future and leading the people to be independent. To the east, there was another leader known as Subhash Chandra Bose. He rallied his fierce determination. His Indian National Army fought bravely pushing against the British Army, unwavering resolve. In the south part, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was also another leader who worked tirelessly to unite many princely states together. And due to his efforts, many princely states got united and also wove togetherness and diverse regions into one nation, laying the foundation for one and only unified Bharat. Through all of these approaches, different approaches from different leaders differed, but in these all leaders, they shared a common interest, which was a vision for freedom, a vision from independence, a vision for all the people to be free, to be united. And this was the main thing. They combined their efforts also with lot of determination, with millions of force, with millions of people carrying power with each other. And after that, they eventually drove the British Army away. And the event came. 1947, Bharat embraced its newfound independence, a testament to strength of unity and perseverance. This story reminds us that even in the toughest times, coming together can turn dreams into reality. We can get to know that we can connect this story to our real lives. Like if we want to achieve something, if we have different competitors, we assume like all our friends are competitors because each are having different skills and we should show them the much better we can do. Instead of doing this, if we all came together and fought against the problems, there is high chance of us get to overcome the problem. And this is the main truth of the life. Instead of doing competition, we have to make sure that we all are together and gain victory over the problems. Thank you.